Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Louis Profits, and today I've got a very interesing video for you eBay dropshippers out there and also Amazon FBA sellers. So this video is going to be on Hustle Got Real. It will be allowing you to automate the entire process for your eBay dropshipping business or Amazon FBA, but I'm going to be talking about eBay in this video as I don't know anything about Amazon FBA. So it's best I talk about what I know on this channel as always. But before this video starts, I do want to say this video is sponsored. They have provided me the account for this video and everything like that, so I can show you guys how it all works. And I'm also going to be starting a series very soon, potentially. Not 100% yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be starting a new series. I've created a new stealth account just for this series. I'm just waiting for the bank account information to all come through so I can fully set it up and start listing. So if you do really want me to do an eBay dropshipping challenge type series, definitely hit that like button and also comment down below letting me know you do want me to do that. If there's enough people that do want me to do it, then I'm definitely going to start that challenge, as I think you guys will learn a lot from it, and it will just be good fun, I think so, and you'll know everything that I do setting up an eBay store. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see here, I've linked an eBay account to Hustle Got Real. I've got 1,000 subscription allowance. I've got 2 pending products that I'm ready to list. I've done a bit of research here, 2 really good products, and I've got 50 coins here. So if you don't know what the coins are, I'm just going to explain to you how overpowered and amazing these coins really are when you're eBay dropshipping. They optimize the titles for you, and by optimizing the titles for you, you will rank higher on eBay search results. They will analyze sold items by the category for you, which will boost your sales and then get your listings in front of more potential buyers. Save time and they will do the hard work. Hustle Got Real really is the best in my opinion. I've used Zeek Analytics before, I don't like it. Hustle Got Real is the one, 100% for sure. This is the one. If you would like 30% off your first month using Hustle Got Real, go in the description, there'll be a link there for you, and also in the pinned comments there'll be a link there for you where you can get 30% off your first month using this service. And guys, if you're a new eBay dropshipper, you've been doing it for a while, or you're even an expert eBay dropshipper, you guys need to check this out. You need to check this out. It really is amazing. So let's just go through why this is so good here. Let's go really into this. So you scroll down, you'll see how many sales you're getting. This is a fresh stealth account, so there's not going to be anything there. But you can see how many sales you're getting. You'll see the profit you'll be making as well. So you don't, it's the spreadsheet. I still recommend using a spreadsheet, but it won't be as important. I would just use the spreadsheet for taxes, as I don't know if they send you all the CSVs for this or not. But if they do, then that's an even better sign there. Here we are here. So we've got auto ordering as well. So you'll be able to set it up by putting your card details in, I'm assuming. They've got a listing service, so I'll show you that in a minute. That's what we're going to talk about in a minute. And then API server as well. So do you want to keep your number API extension running 24/7? I'll do that for £9 a month. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this is one of the only ones that actually caters to the UK, that does really well. Yes, they do every other country, don't worry, they have US, Canada, everything like that. But they actually have the UK, and it's really good as well. It works really well. So when you go to the catalog, I'll show you in a minute. I'm not trying to get too far ahead of myself. I want to make sure you guys understand all of this. So you get tokens, which is your title optimization, which is literally what I've just talked about, but you can optimize the settings you want with this. So you can do it all here. So you do your bulk listings for all the items, so you press bulk listing and it will do all the items you've got ready to be listed from all of these suppliers here. But let's actually have a look here at the catalog. This is what I really like. So what you can do is you can exclude suppliers. So I've excluded Amazon, Argos, ASOS and Asda because those 4 suppliers in the UK, and John Lewis, sorry, are very easy for you to get suspended on eBay. If they ask you for any invoices, you get suspended, so it's not worth using any of these. Plus they also have branded boxes. You want the product to arrive to the customer in just a cardboard box, no packaging, no branding, sorry, and all of these are good to go, especially Banggood and Saleyi down here. These are great suppliers. They know what they're doing. Hustle Got Real definitely know what they're doing with all of the amazing suppliers they've got added, even some new ones I've learned here. So they definitely know what they're doing, and I'm really happy about that there. So if we go here to the left, we can see minimum source price. So this is the minimum amount you will pay for a product, and then the maximum source price is the maximum you want to pay. This is the cost. This is only the cost. So here you can put your minimum profits. Let's say we're only on a minimum of £2 profit and a maximum of, there is no maximum profit. Who's putting a maximum profit on? And we'll say the minimum source price is, we won't put a minimum, but we'll put a maximum. We'll say 50 is the maximum. Right, so here we are. Now you can narrow it down even more. Let's say you want to get minimum £5 profit on a £50 item. Now it will only show you minimum £10 items, £5 profit. Sorry. So if we just pick one, or actually I'm going to use this. Sorry. Oh wait, it's clear. Let's just use this. Alright, list the product. So I'm going to use the optimizing title feature so you guys can actually see, and I'm also going to review the listing. So let's just wait for that. Okay, there we go. I had to do a bit of troubleshooting there with messing around with it up here, but I don't know, maybe I was just impatient, I'm not sure. But as we see, it says it's been listed. It says it's been listed, so let's have a look. Yep. So I paid for the tool, I paid a coin here to make the title better. But I see up here there's an optimized title, so maybe it will make it even better. Okay, it turns out it was already optimized. I think it was optimized because it's a very good title, and that's not something that would be on the SaleYee titles. I use SaleYee all the time, dropshipping, and I manually do it. I manually optimize the titles, and the titles have never been that good. So it's definitely Hustle Got Real that has optimized that for me. That is how you will find an item. You'll come here, you'll scroll down, find an item you want to sell. The profit could be good. You see you got £75 profit here. There's some really good ones that if you're willing to pay the kind of money, and it so many pages, you will never have to go off Hustle Got Real because there's just so many products. That's why I recommend it so much, because there's so many products, and look, the profit margins are all really good here. So I definitely do recommend using this 100%. And you know, they've got auto ordering, which I'm going to show you, like, because I haven't done that, but I know exactly how you would do it. So you go here, and all you would do, so we don't use Amazon, but we use Banggood, and we're going to be using SaleYee. I'm going to be using Banggood here, UK Banggood. So all you'll do is you'll just do this, and you'll select an account, you'll add your Banggood account, and you'll be able to then do it. And as you see here, this is so useful. This is so useful. I can't stress this enough. I hated, the worst part of not using an automated website such as Hustle Got Real was having to upload every single tracking number at the end of the day. It took forever. With this, automatically does the order for you, automatically marks that it's shipped on eBay, automatically adds the tracking number on eBay as well. That is such a perk. Just that alone makes this worth paying for, guys. I can't stress how good this service actually is. I can't wait to get using this in a series. I'm just going to get my way around it a bit better, learn about it a lot more. But it's so good. I really do like it. You know, you got a price warrior here, where it will like go against if you're getting the best prices and stuff like that, and it will monitor your listing to detect thieves. So that means like copying the product pictures, things like that, and you'll just pay €18 a month for that. So that's a really cool thing. They got their own browser extension as well. You've also got private suppliers which you pay for, so it's a one-off payment of £200 or £50 a month as a maintenance fee. I would definitely go with this, guys. If you're going to do it, do the one-off payment for £200. But there is a lot here, and if you just go to your orders, you'll see all your orders come through. Obviously no orders, complete new account, but it really is cool. I really do like this service, and I do recommend you guys use it. So yeah, you just terminate a listing when you don't want it. So I've deleted it manually off eBay. I didn't know I could do it from here. You want to keep it all organized on here. So I've got one listing which is true, which is this. It tells me how much profit I'll make. I will make £5 profit, and that's 30% profit margins just on this product. So I'm going to be going for big profit margins in this series when I do start it. This isn't like episode 1 or anything, so you're not missing out anything. So that is the end of this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, whatsoever, then please make sure you press that like button. And also guys, remember 30% off your first month using the link in the description and pinned comment, so make sure you guys go use that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video if you haven't, and also press that like button and comment if you want me to do that series. And I want to do it, but I want to make sure you guys want me to do it. So yeah, thank you very much, have a lovely rest of your day.